I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to disable auto brightness on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Have you ever been frustrated by your screen suddenly dimming or brightening on its own? Auto brightness can be helpful, but sometimes you just want to set your screen brightness manually and have it stay that way. In this video, I'll show you how to disable auto brightness on your iPhone or iPad, giving you full control over your screen's luminosity. This simple change can make your device usage more comfortable, especially in environments where lighting conditions are constantly changing. Now let's walk through the steps to disable auto brightness on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Apple iPhone or iPad. You'll land on the Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Display and Brightness. The Display and Brightness menu is shown. Step 3. Tap to toggle off Automatic in this menu. Going forward, the auto brightness feature will be disabled on your iPhone or iPad. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.